Hi, this is Vincent at MarineMax Clearwater. I'll be taking you through the 2018 280 Outrage. We'll start back here with the engines. The highlight of this boat right now is the fact that this 280 Outrage comes with twin 300 Verados with joystick piloting. As we move across the transom, we come into a very spacious cockpit with live well, twin captain's chairs. Here you can see the joystick piloting with the benefit of Skyhook, which allows you to stay GPS locked over a single point without dropping anchor. As we move forward, up to the front, we have a large lounge. Underneath this is a big garage for scuba tanks, fishing nets, or whatever type of gear you'd like. This particular Outrage also features a windlass anchor. If you'd like to hear more about this boat or any of the boats that we offer, you can contact me on my personal cell phone, 803-760-0609, or you can reach me here at the office at 727-532-BOAT. Thank you for joining me. Hope to see you soon.